Hey, wanna tweak your close friends list or clear out some old contacts on Instagram? In this video, I'll walk you through doing both straight from your iPhone. So let's get this done without wasting any time, shall we? Now you can add or remove people from the close friends list in two ways. Let's go over both of them. Method 1. Adding people to the list from their profile. To do this, open up Instagram on your iPhone. Next, tap on your profile picture from the bottom bar. Then, tap on followers from here. Now, tap on the account that you want to add as your close friend. After that, tap the following button and these options will show up. From here, tap on Add to Close Friends List and the account will be added to your close friends list. But if you want to remove this contact from your close friends list, just tap on Close Friends with a green star from here, and they will be removed from the list. Method 2. Adding people from the settings. To do this, open up Instagram again. Then, tap on your profile picture from the bottom bar. Next, tap the hamburger menu icon from the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy from here. Then, scroll down a little and tap on Close Friends. Now, if you want to add someone to the list, just search for their name and tap the check mark next to it. Or select the checkbox next to their name from the Suggested section here. Then, hit the Done button, and they will be added to the Close Friends list. So that's how you add or remove someone from close friends list on Instagram from your iPhone. If you dug this video, why not show some love with a like? And if you're hungry for more Instagram tips and tricks, hit that subscribe button. We're cooking up a storm with new Instagram content every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.